How to remove email from Roblox account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. After that, in here, click on the gear icon at the top right. Click on Settings. After you click on Settings, it will lead you to this page. Here, simply click on account info, you'll find email, click on the pencil icon, and you will be able to change your email only. There's no one way to delete. So what you can do is, there's a trick. Scroll down, go to your birthday, click on the pencil like icon beside birthday, and make your age under 13. After you make your age under 13, press on continue, and then press on continue again. It will lead you to this page. Here you'll need to verify it's you. Add code sent to your mail and press on verify. After your age changes, you will no longer find your email, as you can see, and this is how to remove email from Roblox account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.